Discovering tranquility. Retreat in the pines. Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, retreat in the pines. Whether you're a language learner looking to expand your vocabulary or someone curious about English expressions, this video is for you. Let's explore what this phrase means, its origins, and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Retreat in the pines is a phrase that evokes a sense of peace, tranquility, and a return to nature. Here, retreat refers to a place where people go to relax, reflect, or find solitude, away from their usual daily life. The word pines signifies pine trees, which are evergreen trees known for their tall, slender appearance and soothing green color. Together, the phrase paints a picture of a peaceful getaway nestled among pine trees, a perfect setting for relaxation and contemplation. This phrase can be traced back to the idea of seeking solitude or comfort in natural settings, a concept that has been cherished throughout many cultures and times. The use of pines specifically adds a layer of meaning, as pine forests are often associated with serenity, healing, and natural beauty. In English, saying someone is going on a retreat in the pines might mean they are taking a break from the hustle and bustle of daily life to recharge among the tranquil beauty of a pine forest. You can use retreat in the pines in various contexts. Describing a vacation, we spent a week on a retreat in the pines, and I've never felt so relaxed. Seeking solitude, I think it's time for me to take a retreat in the pines and clear my mind. Recommending a getaway, if you're feeling stressed, a retreat in the pines might be just what you need. This phrase is versatile and can convey not just the action of taking a break but also the emotional and spiritual rejuvenation that comes from being in nature, especially among pine trees. We hope this exploration of the phrase, retreat in the pines, has enlightened and inspired you. English is a rich language full of expressions that beautifully capture the human experience, and this phrase is a perfect example. May your journey in learning English bring you closer to the nuances and depth of this global language. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.